What's up, y'all? Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another hair video. This time I'm going to be doing how to install a frontal wig and not a full lace wig. It was sent to me by ElvaHairs, and I was sent I think it's a 10-inch curly frontal wig. They sent me this, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside. I've never been sent an elastic band, y'all, with a wig. A filer, like, look, a filer? I've never been sent a filer, ever. A weaving cap, you know, they come with the wigs, but in some lashes, like, y'all are lit for that, for real. And make sure you guys check out ElvaHairs. Everything will be in the description box below, even a coupon code for you guys to get $10 off. I'm gonna put that right here, so just make sure you check that out, and also like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I plucked this off camera because I forgot to do it on camera. Like, I didn't realize that I wanted it plucked until, like, I got it recorded. I'm not gonna be talking in this video at all. In my last video, in the full lace wig video, I did talk, but this one I'm not gonna talk. So if you guys want to see this look, just keep on watching, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and check out ElvaHairs because they're lit.